Good morning and welcome to Klövsjö. We are now in Härjedalen, not in Jämtland. We didn't get to see this waterfall last night because the sun sets really early at around 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And in about a month we don't see the sun at all here. So we have some walking to do up there somewhere. And we slept in a place called Björnrike. Really nice. I will include some drone footage from there right here. So, welcome back. We're heading up to Fetjeåfallet, which is one of my favorite waterfalls in Sweden. For once, here is a useful tip on this channel. If you're out in this weather in Sweden and going to see maybe the auroras, or if you're going to take some photos somewhere, if you're going to stand still, you will get very cold and you won't notice it until it's too late. So you have to pack a lot of clothes, like these little baby gloves, especially the hands. If you're standing still taking photos or flying the drone, I do it all the time, and then you have to spend half an hour to get your feeling back in the hands. So pack a lot of clothes and coffee and whiskey. So there it is, Fetjeåfallet. I've never seen it like this, like almost completely frozen. Before, when I was here, I was like on that stone over there taking my photos, but I think I will go up there somewhere. So I'm standing right here on a stone in the middle of flowing water. I think I want to be a little bit more up so I can have that one there and then the waterfall behind it. So I'm going to try to climb up there, but I'm not going on the ice here because I can hear the water flowing under here, so I don't know how thick this is. A lot of trees here, so it's a little bit hard to get by here, but I think I found a good spot here. So as you can see, now we have all this flowing up to the waterfall. So I'm standing here in the middle of this, and I don't like tripods, but I'm using one now because it's pretty dark here in the forest, so gotta have a little bit slower shutter speed, but as you can see here you have, pretty straightforward. So I'm gonna take some shots here and then send up the drone. I still would want like one of me like on a rock over there or something, but it's so hard to get there. Maybe I will try anyway. Can you believe all the work they put in to take all these rocks to put out so people can walk in? Insane. So that was Fetjeåfallet. If any of the pictures turn out decent, I will show them here. And if you want to go here, I can really recommend do it in the summer, because then you can drive Vildmarksvägen. It's like straight out into nowhere, and you can see a lot of, this is not part of the Vildmarksvägen, but if you go from the south, then you can include this as well, and this is in Klövsjö. So now it's back to the car and go home. And it's about 5 hours to my house from here. To my apartment, I should say. I don't live in a house. So, if I don't find anything more interesting, if this was interesting, I don't know, but if I find something more fun, then I will show you. But otherwise, thank you for watching, and bye.